Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you, I love you so much. And to my intending subscribers, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you always get my notification when I post a new video. In this channel, we do a lot of cooking, we make different recipes. I'll also be talking about hair care, how to grow a long and healthy hair, and how to do different hair care products for yourself. Also, in this channel, I'll be showing you guys my adventure here in London and more like a lifestyle, and how I tend to balance my work life, my family, and my personal life. Welcome to my channel. Feel relaxed. This is a fun place to be. So guys, in today's video we'll be making chocolate brownie, and the ingredients we'll be using for this chocolate brownie are all-purpose flour. We'll be using brown sugar, we'll be using eggs, 3 eggs, we'll be using unsalted butter. This unsalted butter should be at room temperature. We'll be using salt, just a pinch of salt is what I need. We'll be needing vanilla. We'll be needing chocolate chips or chunk, anyone you get. We'll be using sugar, and we'll be using cocoa powder. Let's get started. So guys, in an empty bowl, I'll put in my unsalted butter, and I will take it to the microwave to melt it. I just melted my butter. I'll go in and pour in my sugar. I'll add in my brown sugar, half cup of brown sugar and half cup of granulated sugar. I'll go in and put my pinch of salt. I'll go in and put in my vanilla. I'll go on and beat in my 3 eggs into this. So I'll go on ahead and mix everything together. In an empty bowl, sift in your 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you can sift in your cocoa powder. Go ahead and mix both of them together. So after mixing in our all-purpose flour and our cocoa powder together, we are going to bring in our liquid mixture and transfer the dry mixture into the liquid mixture. Go ahead and turn it until everything is well mixed together. At this point, you can go in and pour in your chocolate chips. Continue to mix. Okay, our mixture is ready. So the next step, I'll set it aside and bring in my baking pan. You can see there is butter already inside my baking pan, so I'll go ahead and spread this everywhere here. I'll go and line my baking sheet inside it. I'll go ahead and transfer my chocolate brownie mix mixture inside there. Spread it out. So I'll allow it to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, this is after 20 minutes and look at what our chocolate brownie looks like. We are going to allow it to cool before I cut it to the size I want it. So guys, our chocolate brownie has cooled down. So I'll go ahead and cut it. Let me know when you'll be trying out this chocolate brownie. So guys, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And turn on the bell button so that you get the notification of my video when it drops. Thank you for watching. Bye. This tastes amazing. It's so yummy. Guys, you need to try this out. See you in my next video. Bye bye.